Hey, I'm Leon Sanders and today I'll introduce you to React Native and Flutter. I will show the positive as well as the negative points and then give you a conclusion. React Native was created by Facebook and has been on the market since 2015. It is used by many well-known companies such as Facebook, Airbnb, Discord, Instagram, Skype and Pinterest. Flutter was created by Google and has been on the market since 2017. Like React Native, it is also used by many companies. Examples are Google, Tencent, eBay and Alibaba. As you can see here, the demand for Flutter has always increased since 2017, while React Native has remained roughly the same. Last year, Flutter overtook React Native. This is due to the fact that a lot of people want to learn Flutter. But now, let's look at the two frameworks in terms of different points. Right now, there are many more job offers for React Native than for Flutter, even if the job offers for Flutter are constantly increasing. However, this is different for each country. It's the best to look at Indeed.com. React Native uses JavaScript and is based on React. So if you already use JavaScript and React, it's easier for you to start with React Native than with Flutter. On the other hand, Flutter uses a programming language called Dart, which was created by Google and is similar to JavaScript, Java and C#. So it's not difficult to get in. Because of React Native has been on the market for a long time, it has a big advantage in the community. There is much more help, videos and blogs about React Native than about Flutter. It should also be mentioned that the community of Flutter is growing faster and faster. So it's only a matter of time before Flutter has a very large community. In Flutter, there are a lot of pre-built widgets. There is even an entire widget catalog. In React Native, you have to resort to packages from third parties or create your own widgets. As a result, the time it takes to develop an app is much shorter for Flutter than for React Native. In conclusion, the better framework depends on you. If you want to have a job, you need to adapt to the local job market and learn the more Ask framework. But if you just want to make your own app, you should decide according to your skills. If you already use React, it's easy for you to work with React Native. However, if you don't know React, it's easier and quicker to go with Flutter. I really hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to like and follow the channel. See you next time.